This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the West Loop, overlooking the Jane Byrne Expressway interchange, panning around for a look at the University of Illinois at Chicago campus, and panning further for the great restaurant, dining, nightlife, office scene in the burgeoning, happening, hot West Loop. I'm on the party-sized terrace of a penthouse at Arkadia. Terrific building with a great suite of amenities, including a huge pool deck, great fitness center. It's 90 degrees and muggy, so I'm headed inside for a walk through this 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. And you can just see from the scale of this, you can have a nice sized crowd to entertain out on this terrace. Just stepped into the living dining kitchen area. You have above average height ceilings, wide plank flooring, extends throughout the unit. Kitchen has a breakfast bar lip, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. You have a gas range, a built-in microwave, dishwasher of course, white quartz counters, a tile backsplash, contrasting white and espresso stained upper and lower cabinets, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. And we're on the southwest corner here, so this unit floods with light just about any time. Looking at the entryway, there's a walk-in coat closet, guest bath just beyond, attractive finishes. Second bedroom, 2 walls of windows, ceiling fan, looking out towards some of those great views. Wide wall closet, and there's a second tandem entry into the bathroom here. So it's almost like an ensuite bath. You have great separation of the bedrooms, split layout that couples and roommates prefer. Side-by-side washer dryer, shelving up above, a touch that's too frequently overlooked. Then heading into the master bedroom, got a generously sized room that can accommodate any size bedding. There's another ceiling fan and a separate exit out to the terrace. A walk-in closet, and then an oversized bath with a tub. Same white tile and finishes that you saw in the guest bath. Nice wide vanity. Arkadia is a great building. The terrace on this penthouse is truly special. You're not going to find many outdoor spaces this size anywhere in downtown Chicago. And you want to put Arkadia on your must visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.